Right, so another week. This week, well, going into today, I believe it's pretty clear what the draw is today because of this bearish S&T at all-time highs. I'd like to see these low resistance liquidity points get targeted. We still got this double bottom intact from last week. This is also a 4-hour and an unfilled 4-hour fair value gap. It is small, but still there. I am bearish going into today because of this SMT. We've also run through this bullish fair value gap, having a change in the state of delivery on the 4-hour time frame. So I'll be looking for shorts once we rebalance price into this hourly fair value gap, get my entry model to go short and look to hold to these low resistance draws on liquidity. So I'll keep you updated if any trades are taken. Right, so I'm currently in this position. We're at break even. Slightly different entry today. We had this 5-minute fair value gap that was holding. We pumped up off the open. I initially wanted shorts off the inverse of this, but then we manipulated the lows and we're clearly trading towards the highs up here. So I waited for the 1-minute CIST because there was no fair value gaps. We got a clean V shape, held the CIST perfectly, and now my trade is at break even. I'd like to see it run up and take the recent high. Right, so as you can see, we did eventually hit take profit. It took a lot longer than I was anticipating, but today has been a very slow day in terms of delivery. As you can see, just pumped up and mainly chopped for the most of the day. Yeah, I entered here after we got the CISD. The retest of the CISD was my entry. I mean, yeah, solid trade. I then eventually trailed my stop loss below this low here because this is the low that was put inside the 5-minute. After we got bought up, I didn't want to see it retrace back to the 5-minute because if we were likely to do that, we're going to inverse the 5-minute and then start a sell model because ES had already taken out the highs. Yeah, solid trade. It wasn't my initial plan for the day, but we've got to be reactive in the market. And yeah, as you can see, 265 up there per account. Yeah, solid day. Journal it, and we'll move on to tomorrow.